You don't need a full modular ramp at your home, but you still need to provide access for your guests' comfort and safety. Or maybe you're frustrated by the lack of accessible curb ramps. The Freedom series of folding ramps is an economical and convenient solution for on-demand access. The Freedom series folding ramps are available in lengths of 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. They unfold to a 30-inch width with transition plates at the top and bottom. This small ramp is packed with safety features, including a continuous rubber hinge to prevent fingers from getting caught, and grip tape on the surface to provide traction. When folded, it's less than 3 inches thick for easy storage in a closet or trunk. With the largest ramp weighing in at less than 30 pounds, this on-the-go solution is perfect wherever there's a small bump to navigate. Call your Freedom Now specialist today to find out how you can get your own Freedom Series folding ramp.